Hey everyone, want to install an OS on VMware using a bootable USB drive? It's easier than you think, and we're doing it in under 2 minutes. Let's dive in. First, let's create a new virtual machine. Open VMware Workstation, click on Create a new virtual machine, choose Typical Configuration, and hit Next. Now select I will install the operating system later and hit Next. In this window, choose your target operating system, click Next, and set your installation location. Moving on, create a strong password or generate one, then check the Remember box and hit Next. Next up, specify your disk size and click Next. Now, customize your hardware by allocating RAM and CPU power based on your system. Then hit Finish. Finally, let's power on the virtual machine. Next, spam the F2 key to enter the BIOS. Well, it didn't catch it the first time, so let's restart the virtual machine and spam F2 again. Now, we are in the boot menu. But wait, the flash drive isn't showing up yet. To fix this, right-click on your virtual machine, go to Removable Devices, find your flash drive, and click Connect. This will disconnect the USB from your host and plug it straight into the VM. Now, let's restart the virtual machine one more time. Spam F2, and boom, the flash drive is detected. Just select it, and you're ready to start the OS installation. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please support the channel by hitting that like and subscribe button. See you next time.